Hi and welcome. In this section I'm going to explain a little bit about what HTTPS URLs means and where you can find that within the suite of SEO tools that we offer. Now this is on the reporting page, which can be easily navigated to from any page of the site. Simply select the site, project, the site, click go, and you'll be able to see the data. You will have to have crawled the site at least once, and if you've crawled it multiple times, you'll be able to see previous crawl data compared to this crawl data. Now if we minimize some of these sections to make it a little bit obvious what we're looking at here, we're looking at HTTPS URLs. Now HTTPS stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol and Security, and is the secure version for allowing users to access your site, and is the preferred version by Google for websites. So if your website doesn't use HTTPS, that's something that we'd strongly recommend that you upgrade to. We have a little green thermometer next to this to say that it's all good, because all of the pages that use HTTPS are using the correct version. Now you'll also see the numbers in various columns here. These show the latest crawl data, the previous crawl data, and the differences. And these numbers typically refer to the number of URLs that meet the criteria of, say, HTTPS. If we click on that number, that will take us through to a page where you can see all of the HTTPS pages on your site. This can be JPEGs or standard web pages. And we also provide some additional information here that might be useful for your HTTPS pages, such as the URL of the page, the status or response code that it returns. In this case it's 200, meaning that the page is accessible, the canonical URL of that page so that you can see whether or not the page is canonical. We also say whether it's in the sitemap by saying true or false, if the page is canonical, which again is shown as true or false, and finally whether the page is indexable, which again is shown as true and false. And you can filter by selecting all of the true or all of the canonical pages that are within this particular set. But obviously this is a very broad set of data. Now if you come here and you see that in fact none of your site is using HTTPS and all of it's using HTTP, that could be for a number of reasons, and it's certainly something that you might want to look into. So that's everything we have to talk about HTTP and HTTPS in this video. I hope you've enjoyed it, and thanks for watching.